Hello family, welcome back to yet another edition of the Opolotivasti Solutions. And in this video we're going to look at this CANON scanner of series M140 DR, and we're going to focus on servicing it and changing the roller kit, general maintenance. So join me, let's start right away. So amongst the tools that I'm going to be using, I will be using these minus screws and this cleaning foam to help me clean up and service all the other parts. Then maybe a blowing machine. So starting right away, let's start by removing the roller kits. Start by opening it up like this, then focus on the lower, removing the lower roller kit. That's the exchange roller kit. It's the one that feeds the paper to the scanner. So start by removing the first one, the lower one, close it up, then get to the second one, which is from the upper side. So here we have this joint. Just flip it up a little, then pull it this end, just to remove the upper roller. So once we are done with that, we need to close this part and close this part. So we want to remove this other part. We're doing this just because in case of paper jam and the papers are rolling very well into the feeder, so we need to first open this up, and before opening it up we need to put into consideration that it has a lock in here, it has a lock here and a lock there at the base. So we need to first unlock those areas. So let's start by unlocking this other one. The first one here, you just simply let me see if the camera can see it from the inside. So I'll push that, get that lock off. So get the lock off, get it off by pushing it in the inside part. So once the lock is open, we go to this other side also and flip. So once it's also loose, we turn it to the back side. So at the back we open this. You see under here there are locks. There is this lock, this lock. They just are not locked, but they are holding it to the frame. So we need to flip open. Just open it on this side also. Flip open it. So once we are done, we'll focus on removing the lock. You have to do this gently. Then this one also, remove that lock, remove that lock, remove the lock also for this side. So once we are done removing this lock, we can remove the cover gently and gently, but be careful because it has a connection point here. the one that connects to this control panel where we have the switch and all the other buttons. So we need to first disconnect this connection point by pulling out the cables, and we keep this aside. So this is the part that we are interested in cleaning, and also this other side. So once we are done with that, we can just go and flip open our scanner. So we are aiming at cleaning all the inner parts. So at the paper feeder here, there is that there are these sensors, right? So we need to clear off all the dirt which is on the sensors, both the downer and the upper sensors. We have these ones here. There are 6 actually in number, if you to count, 6 at the upper side and 6 on the lower side. So we need to get out this lens and have it cleaned thoroughly so that we have better outputs. But in order to remove it, we need to focus on, you see that it has a lock here that you need to push on the extreme end of the wall, then lift out the lens. So let me push it up and use the other minus to lift out the lens. So you have to do it gently because it has a wire. It has wires which are connected on it. So we need to, once I'm done, there is also another lock on the other side. I need to make it loose. So I'll loosen the lock and then lift up the sensor a little bit. So let me just loosen as I'm pushing out the sensor. So once that is done, I can put aside and remove the sensor gently. Move it gently. You have to do it gently. Oops, it's giving me a hard time because I need to show you this angle. That's why I need to show this angle captured on camera. That's why I'm taking long to get it out. So the angle is giving me a hard time. So once it's removed, it has a cable. It has connecting wires here, connecting it to the panel. So we need to first remove these connections, and we do so by using our, hope you can see it very well, by using our minus, and just flip it out a little bit. Just flip it out a little bit. Flip it out, and this side also flip it out gently. So once that is done, we can have it out. So this is our lens that we need to clean up. Once we are done with that, we can start with the cleaning. So I'll get my cleaning foam. This is the universal cleaning foam, which I will use. I'll just spray a little, and I have it cleaned here. So I clean on the lens. I clean it gently. Clean it gently, and then also clean this other part. So we are done by cleaning. We are done with cleaning the lower lens mirror, and what we are left with is cleaning the upper one also to get rid of the dirt or any particles that could be on top. So using the same towel, I will just clean up gently. So once I'm done with that, I'll get my cleaning brush, which I'll use to clean these other parts gently, and also focus on cleaning using this cleaning foam. So I'll clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. For areas that need blowing, I can just get my blowing machine, which is the Makita, and I just blow it gently. Just focus on blowing. Oops, sorry about the noise. I was trying to blow off the dirt which could have happened inside here. So I get my towel and clean with my towel here. Clean all the parts very well. So once we are done, we need to put our parts back. So I get back my connector. Hope you can see it here very well. So I get my cable and I roll it back here. Once I roll it back, I face the connection point just like this, then flip it inside. So once I'm done with that, I have to put the lens back, just align it properly, and once it's done, that is good to go. The locks, ensure that the locks have fitted in well. So we get our lower roller exchange kit, put it back to its position. Then the upper one also, first hold it, first pull this out, then back in and lock it down. So once that is done, we can close and clean the top part. So let's clean the top part very fast also. Clean the top part. I think I might need some more of the foam. Need more of the foam. So once that is done, we get this other one also, but clean it also, clean it also, clean it also, clean it even from the inside, gently, so that you don't affect any part. So once we are done cleaning, we need to put back our connection here to this panel. So we have to just fit it in here fit it in back, just like that. So once we are done, we just flip it over back to the original setting, and just press it down, press it down. Also this side, press it down. Once we are done pressing it, we get this other lock of the back side, then have it also fitted. Fit this other side also, have it fitted very well. Have it fitted very well. So once we are done, we can close and do or run the testing. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of the Opolotivasti Solutions. See you next time, same day. Kindly always keep checking for new videos. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell as we stay together. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your life. Peace and love. One.